Welcome back to ST Auto Car. Today we bring you the powerful Kia KMTV. This military truck is built to handle the toughest missions with unmatched strength. The Kia KMTV stands for Kia Medium Tactical Vehicle. It's designed for military operations where reliability is more important than luxury. It was developed to replace the older KM250 and KM500 trucks. These had served South Korea for decades but needed a modern upgrade. The KMTV comes in both 4x4 and 6x6 configurations. The 4x4 handles lighter duties, while the 6x6 is built for heavy missions. The model we see here is the 6x6 armored version. It's designed to survive hostile battle environments with full troop protection. Its armored cabin includes detachable armor kits. This flexibility lets the truck adapt to mission requirements quickly. The exterior design is bold and rugged. Every detail is built with function in mind, not comfort or styling. Unlike civilian trucks, the KMTV focuses on durability and safety. It ensures soldiers can trust their vehicle in critical moments. Under the hood sits a powerful diesel engine. This engine provides massive torque for pulling weight and crossing obstacles. The 6x6 produces around 330 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth and reliable performance. This drivetrain is capable of handling slopes, rivers, and deep mud. It keeps moving forward where normal trucks would fail. The suspension and ground clearance are designed for off-road extremes. They ensure smooth travel even under heavy loads. The KMTV also integrates wide-view monitoring systems. These allow drivers to remain aware of their surroundings in any terrain. Inside, the crew benefits from air suspension seats. This small touch makes long operations less exhausting for soldiers. Additional cameras and sensors improve visibility. They reduce blind spots and make maneuvering safer in critical zones. Compared to the old KM250, this truck is a massive upgrade. It blends classic toughness with modern technology. It can transport troops, weapons, and supplies with ease. This makes it one of the most versatile vehicles in its class. The armored version is especially important for combat zones. It can move soldiers safely through high-risk areas. Its modular design allows mission-specific customization. From logistics to combat support, it adapts to many roles. South Korea plans to deploy thousands of these trucks. They will form the backbone of military logistics in the future. Kia is also looking at global export opportunities. Many countries are interested in upgrading their fleets with the KMTV. This shows Kia is not only about civilian cars. It is also a strong player in the global defense market. The KMTV is proof of modern engineering meeting battlefield demands. It represents the next generation of tactical mobility. With its strength, versatility, and advanced features, the Kia KMTV is ready for any mission. This is the future of military trucks. Thanks for watching ST Auto Car. Stay tuned for more incredible machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.